Hello everyone, my name is Subhojit Dotto. I am from St. Thomas College of Engineering and Technology, Kolkata. And today I am going to be explaining the topic multiplication of a fraction by another fraction. This is a part of chapter 2 of the topic fractions and decimal. And this is for class 7 mathematics. I am an intern at Intellify. In case you have any query, you can log on to www.intellify.in. Now let's take a look at the concept of multiplication. That means what does multiplying a fraction implies? So we know what half of this circle is. It is a semicircle. A half of this semicircle can also be easily drawn by just dividing this figure into two equal parts, which is 1 by 4. क्योंकि हम देख सकते हैं by putting 4 of these together we can get our original circle back. Now let us see how half of half, that is half into half, makes 1 by 4. So in multiplication of fractions, we actually just multiply the numerators and the denominators separately. So ये दो numerators के बीच multiplication के बाद the result becomes the new numerator. So 1 into 1 is 1, and same with the denominator. The two denominators are multiplied here, 2 into 2, which becomes 4. So 1 by 4 is the answer in both the cases. So basically multiplication of two fraction implies product of numerators by product of denominators. So over here we have 2 by 3 into 6 by 10, which is equals to 2 into 6 by 3 into 10, which is equals to 12 by 30. Now we can reduce it by dividing those two numbers by 3. So 12 divided by 3 is 4 and 30 divided by 3 is 10. So 4 by 10. Now it can be further reduced by dividing it by 2. So 2 into 2 is 4 and 2 into 5 is 10. So the answer is 2 by 5. But this is not the actual procedure we follow while solving. So once again we have the same question over here. In this case we can reduce these numbers by dividing the numerator and the denominator by the same value before multiplication. So we can reduce 6 and 10 and even 2 and 10. So the division occurs between a numerator and a denominator. So between these two or even these two, we can approach it in different ways. So let's first reduce these two. 3 into 2 is 6 and 3 into 1 is 3. So then these two. 2 into 1 is 2 and 2 into 5 is 10. So we have 1 into 2 over here and 1 into 5 over here, which gives 2 by 5 like before. अब देखते हैं कुछ examples के तरफ. So at first we have 4 by 39 into 5 1 by 5. So let's turn this into an improper fraction first. Now let us see. So both these two numbers are divisible by 13 here. So let's reduce them. So 13 into 3 is 39 and 13 into 2 is 26. There are no further reductions here. So let's multiply. 2 into 4 is 8 and 5 into 3 is 15. So 8 by 15. Second example में है 25 by 100 into 4 by 5. So we can divide these two by 25 or these two by 4, anyone. Let us proceed with these two. So 25 into 1 is 25 and 25 into 4 is 100. So 1 by 4. Now 4 and 4 gets cancelled. Remember, don't forget to write 1 to avoid mistakes. So what we are left with is 1 into 1 by 1 into 5, which gives 1 by 5. That's the answer. अब for the third example हम देख सकते हैं we have three values to be multiplied, which is not necessarily hard. Basically our goal is to reduce the numerators and denominators by division. One thing I would like to point out again is that you can only divide between a numerator and a denominator. That is, division can only be done between two values on the opposite side of these lines. You can reduce 9 by this 3 but not this one. Well, instead of that, let's cancel these two 3's out, क्योंकि calculation will be much easier here. 2 and 10 also gets reduced. 2 into 5 is 10. So we have 9 into 1 and 5 into 5. That is 9 by 25. For the last problem, we have a question that says Rahul reads 1/3 part of a book in 1 hour. How much part of the book will he read in 1 by 5 hours? So अगर हम 1 मिनट के लिए फ्रैक्शन भूल जाते हैं, then this problem is nothing but a basic unitary method problem. So for example, we can say if I eat 2 mangoes in 1 hour, how many mangoes will I eat in 2 hours? The The answer is 4, and you realize that we can get the result by simply multiplying. 2 into 2 is 4. So if I know the part of the book Rahul finishes in 1 hour, that is 1 by 3, then in 2 1 by 5 hours, he will finish 1 by 3 into 2 1 by 5. That is what we did. So 1 by 3 into 2 1 by 5 is equals to 1 by 3 into 11 by 5. Now let's see if we can reduce anything. So apparently we can't. So multiply कर देते हैं. 11 into 1 by 3 into 5, that is 11 by 15. So in 2 1 by 5 hour, Rahul finishes 11 by 15th part of the book. That's the end of the discussion. I hope you understood this topic. If you didn't, you can visit our website and post your query there to get it solved by our instructors. Thank you for watching.